I'm messing with this nut for the lathe. This is the part that goes to the tailstock. I can't remember the name of that stupid thing. Anyway, what's happening is this nut is slipping inside this plastic, and I'm thinking to just build a whole nother part here that I could weld to the outside of the nut here, because the nut's only threaded about halfway up, and you can see it's recessed right there, and you can see the step where the threads start. The steps down to where the threads are, and so let me thread this on so I could show you what's going on here. Okay, so when you get to the full, well, whenever you get, so you would turn it clockwise to advance this thing into the wood on the lathe to tighten it up. And when you get so tight, well, let me, all the way down, that's all the way out. When you get to where it's so tight, what happens, I'll use my other hand. Once you get there, see how that's spinning right there? It spins, and the nut doesn't spin, so it doesn't advance, and it does it in both directions. So if I was going in this direction, now it's doing it, and it don't want to come off. Damn it. Anyway, so if I was doing it in this direction, basically it means it wouldn't tighten up against the wood anymore. So I think I got to cut this plastic piece off and then figure out a way to, I think I'll get a round metal sleeve tube that fits over this nut and weld it to the nut, and then make a round ring on the lathe there, and duplicate one of these handles or something so that I could put it on the back and just roll it by hand using some, flat steel or something. Anyway, so yeah, that's what I got to do with this, because that little toy lathe right there, it's funny, you look at it, it's like, what? That's a lathe? Yeah, that's a lathe. Anyway, so that's what I got going on with this thing. I got to fix this because I can't tighten the wood up to where it won't spin if I don't have this thing to where, it's not, well, anyway, you guys get it. Okay, that's it. I'm out.